Gotta get in there and seal up the stairs there. You can still see through. I got some runners in there for him. Yeah, I think he's gonna like it. Yeah, you gonna like that, boy? Yeah, I think so. I got it from, got the straw from West Ferguson's. We're at the horse farm. It smells all the horse food. You smell the manure from the horses and the horses? I guess you can smell both, eh? You like your home? Yeah. Good boy. Alright. You like your home? Right? When you're outside you can stay warm instead of being out in the cold. Yeah. You see inside, guys. I reckon he's gonna crawl into. I'm gonna be stuck. So I gotta do all this. And here I'm gonna have to measure that. Here, put some boards there to keep the snow out. So of course the snow's gonna come through there, but that's okay. I can rig something up. And then I gotta build a frame in here. Cause this is just. See, it's a start. Alright, I can take that off cut right there and either put it there or put it up there. Probably up there first. Yeah. Yeah. Like it? Enzo. Come on. Come on, boy. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. You lay down. Good. Look at you. You're a rock star, eh? No. Good boy, eh? Yeah, you like your doghouse? Yes you do. Yes you do, yeah you do. Yeah. Yes you do. Oh, you want a tummy rub? Yes you do. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think you'll like it. It's something. Yeah. Alright. Well, it's time to crawl out of the doghouse, guys. Take everybody outside here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Out of the doghouse. Well, get some of this and stick it over here. Tuck this in there. Just to keep that cold out. It's not too cold right now. It's -9 or something like that. So. Anyway, that'll do. It'll do for now, right, boy? Hey? Yeah. It's gonna be good for you. Keep you out of the wind, anyways. Yeah. Chasing your tail, eh? All right, guys. It's a little update on the homestead, right? Everything's on the homestead. Yes. Yes, it is. Yes. Yes. Oh, good boy. Oh, you guys want to see what else I got for Enzo? Let's go. Let's close this. All right. What else did you get? Oh, Christmas is coming. Look at that. Get your own stocking. Yeah, look at that. It's a big paw print. Very cool. All right, guys. Oh, I should grab that COD thing there. I'm gonna fill this out for the sale of the truck there. I'll also fill that out for me, and I guess Autopack, they went there and talked to them today, and they said, well, the way it works, doesn't matter what if he puts $1 on there or $2 on there, they're gonna go buy the black book and I have to pay tax on them. So kind of sucks. But it'll be better. Alright. There she is from above. Alright, guys. You gonna say goodbye, Enzo? Say goodbye? Yeah. Great. Guys, it's cold. My hands are freezing right now. Whew. We will see you in a bit. This is a little update. Oops. Oh, great. Okay. All right. Say bye, Enzo. Bye. Say bye.